going?
Breaking my shit down, boy. I got my whole motor took apart in that bit. Oh, God. Send the head to the shop.
What, down here?
Yesterday, my shit was over hot, man. I ended up taking the thermostat out that bitch, though, and they kept it down. They fuck that. I can't be around with this. I drove it out here this morning.
What the?
I don't play no games.
Bro,
No
what?
games. Oh,
What? So what are you doing to it?
Oh, taking the heads off. Then water coming out my exhaust pipe. So with the water going somewhere, we know it's not going in the oil, so it got to be going out the exhaust pipe. So shit, the heads. There's something with the heads or the that little seal. But
Oh,
shit,
so yeah, so like since they got oil right here, you talking about?
yeah. Like it's going into the combustion chamber and going out the pipes like the cooler is.
What's the seal that go right here? Like, is there a seal that go here?
Yeah, the valve cover seal, and then the head gasket seal. That's the other seal. I'm talking about the head gasket seal. That's the one he telling me it could be. But shit, I'm gonna get a new one of those when I get the heads back. Like, shit, they said it shouldn't take no more than a day or two.
Oh yeah, twin doing that. Oh, me, we going?
I said we ready to come around the thing.
We're going.
Yeah, we're going. Y'all recording? Yeah, welcome to the shop. You see what I'm saying? Welcome to the shop. You see this is a regular, what is this right here? Regular 5.7. But we finna take the whole top side on and we're gonna put a Hellcat top on it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be supercharged and everything for the 20. So we just let y'all know how it's going down.
Yeah.
And y'all see the 5.7, whatever you say? The 5.7. But on the 20th, they're gonna be a whole Hemi and a whole Hellcat. You see what I'm saying? Y'all don't get it twisted now. One-stop shop.
Facts. Nah, that's crazy. You took that bit apart though. Oh, I ain't ever did this to the cat. Hell, I ain't never seen the
But they have no motor all the way out that bitch and everything.
Was real.
Both things, this is the motor in that bitch, same motor.
With the thing over there, like the bulldozer.
I got you. I'm just watching y'all. Y'all like them good.
We got this.
Legends in the making, man. Legends in the making. Watching each other, though. Watching each other.
How long they gonna be out here? We put there in these times. Well, hell, I can get them a part of the video right now. Let me go get on that video. I can get you a video fixing the road now. So I seen you talking about some, we gonna fix this road.
Did you find that area right there?
Fix it all the way to the bottom, huh?
Oh, man.
You gonna be able to come all the way around. Come here, let me show you what I'm playing.
Come on, with the basketball court is?
It's a driveway. Like when it's quiet, it's country.
Oh, for real?
And we're gonna have the cars come around here and come up into the pit. That way we'll know if one motherfucker going in the pit at a time. Ain't nobody gonna come in the pit from the top side of the road.
Yeah, I'm finna help them.
Oh, this is.
This concrete right here. Once we clean this and open it back up and move this the road. This country. Oh, God. See this country. This RB just parked up. Wait, this concrete right here? That's concrete? Hey. Yeah. Hey, through the road.
Oh, okay.
Come through the road. They'll be lined up like right over here. And then come up into the pit. I'm gonna move all these cars. Like we do a staging lane for the pit. We'll move all them cars over there. The whole, we moving all these cars out there. Anything out here gonna be money.
Cause they definitely coming for sure.
Everything touch the concrete gonna be money.
Going.
We ain't worried about parking. All down yonder everywhere parking. The whole neighborhood.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know whose number he gave me, but he did give me a number like, let me see.
81989, some I don't even know. I shot you a text though.
Oh, you said Junior?
Yeah, JJ.
I mean, JJ.
Let me get a video, JJ. Let me get on YouTube. Y'all come out here and show y'all a little picture of the road. Let me see how I remember how to do this shit.
No, I got you right here.
Oh, you got some new shit going? Yeah. What you done did this time? You don't win even hard. Then look right back to the stick. Oh yeah, you don't win. You don't win something out there. You don't really one up in it. What kind of skill what guy? You going to the back? I ain't worried about it, man.
Yeah, I see.
Come back with it now.
It's money bag, nigga. Walk down with that VBS, I'm tryna pop a nigga. Nigga broke, but talking about a bag like what's the problem, niggas? Niggas flaking, they ain't trying.
You know,
Dirt Dynasty.
you know what I told last time we were here?
Yep.
I bring that equipment out, you know what's going on.
We got fees and hidden fees.
We got fees in here.
Yeah, they're like these.
One-stop shop, cuz.
Yeah, 24/7.
You need your car fixed, you need asphalt,
All of it.
one-stop shop. Come holler at us.
Whoever gonna be set up, I don't know, they're gonna be set up like right here or right like where the curve starts.
Yeah.
But then after they pass that, they're gonna be somebody. Yeah, that's the mission.
Yeah.
So after they pass that, that's basically like verifying your ticket, verifying what kind of ticket you got, and then clearly you gonna have to find somewhere to park. So if you was not a slider and you were a spectator, you can park. Like we're gonna direct them over here. So once all this is filled, that's when we're gonna have to direct them to line up like on that road. Like you see this road?
Yeah.
They're gonna have to line up on this road. But the thing is, they're gonna have to only trying to think, because it would be, you can't really like, if cars is parked on this road, you don't want to really go in both ways. And like people trying to back up, making it one, trying to figure out if you do it one way and you go all the way out like this. But yeah, that's really. Oh, and then right here, they can park right here too, along, like not along the fence, but back here, up to, I don't know up to what, but they can definitely park right there too. On the side, like in the back of that building, and then on this road too. It was on this road, but I don't know. You was talking about parking in the yard, but I don't know if you talking about the road. But yeah, the parking for sure. Like, cause Zay got down 2 sliders in the pit, and they done. Where they going? Where they went when they was done sliding?
Back out, but we're gonna have a way when they done to go out.
Saying boom, after you done sliding, you can go out this way and make a loop. But you might have a line right here, people coming in. And then you could go out this.
Yo, the Dirt Boy. Gonna make y'all famous. Go on YouTube. One Stop Shop. One Stop Shop.
We got fees and hidden fees. 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 Fees and hidden fe Lights on. All right. Came out. Again, yo. Yep. Locked in. Why the hell you gonna bring somebody to where you help build up that if you ain't gonna be in on it too? I told you this is not a me situation, it's a we. If I say we, like being out together, I wouldn't talk like everybody. You know what I'm saying? However you push that up on them, as long as it's in the end, it's a we situation. When you talking to them about doing something out here, you is me. Then you relay the shit to me. It's gonna happen. Got you. I don't want to be involved with none of them. I have one person we dealing with. Like that midnight shit, they gonna start dealing through you. They got some shit going, but it's gonna be fuck that. You coming for free. This man bringing money. You gotta follow it. You gotta pay to play.
Chances in my hood, like no
That was there.
Niggas ain't on no slime shit. I'm on those for the time, man. Oh no, nigga, I only told us. Yeah, I'm all against slime, man. Niggas ain't on.
I can't got that get some oil with it.
Nasty shit.
I'm talking about what you doing
Oh yeah, that's on the 20th. Oh yeah.
Let's say this past weekend, what was that? That was just midnight?
Oh yeah, that was midnight.
That's right. Let's say young Flock can tell y'all that's a new slide, it's a G7.
Okay, okay.
Oh, did he go back there?
Who?
He go.
Oh, it should be. Should be. No, man, okay, bro.
I bet to man. What the hell that is? What's in there?
That's a track off.
For real?
That's three, what three of it?
For real?
Just send this on my too.
So as y'all see, we is here to get some oil. Where are we going? Waiting area. But no, we also gonna be going getting alignment today. It's gonna be kind of like a maintenance vlog, I guess y'all can say, but not really too much maintenance. So yeah, it's gonna be like a maintenance vlog. Came to Dodge, get some oil. I use Pennzoil. I'm gonna show you the oil I'll be using and stuff like that. But I might do the oil change on this video. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and I'm also gonna change the differential oil. That's like when you slide and stuff like that. And I'm also putting those tires on. Y'all saw at the beginning of the video. I'm putting that on the cat today. And yeah, if you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's on the road to 100K subscribers. And yeah. Get it with me.
We gotta go check out that 170 over there.
Okay, let's go look at it. We go look at it. Go look at it. It's 170. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. I mean, you just like it like it going to trap. I don't really like trap. Got the red seats, but I don't like Challengers either. They're a bit mediocre. That's what you.
I fuck with this.
I need that bit. That bit. Five. Facts. Ooh, should I get them rims on the cat?
More like demon rims.
Nah.
Maybe the bat tires.
Yeah, maybe the back. You're right. Oh yeah, I might do that. Put the back rims like that.
A bit same though.
It's 1320. Oh no, it's a Super B. It's a cat.
No, it's a Super B.
What the fuck?
It's,
So they put the red eye hood on it, bit. Put demon wheels on it, bit. And it's a scat. What? What?
You getting his smoke up?
How much they want?
Intermittently take your wife's money.
Say, come down here, you take everybody's money.
I do.
My first album was a three-wheeler van, Fly Like an Eagle, and then
Dude.
Charlie Daniels band, Charlie Daniels. I saw Charlie Daniels.
I think Doll wanted to meet up too.
Oh, $392?
Yeah, cause I ain't meet up with all them.
Yeah, no. Cause the way they got pulled over last time.
What? Like, yeah, it's good content for YouTube, but shit, I can't post that anyway.
So, yeah. They gonna see us leave, and boom, we there.
Right. They said you finna come out with it 170.
Nah, I ain't about it. You crazy think I'm about 170.
Why not?
Nah.
Just take the engine out. Give it to
No,
me.
I'd buy a regular Hellcat, put a smaller pulley. Same thing you did. 85 had the same horsepower.
Something like that.
And plus, I want to charge.
Oh, he about to start it?
It's probably like
He got the red key?
it's probably like 3,000
He just
rims.
took the picture of the mouse.
It's
We got
probably-
0 miles.
It's probably like $3,000 rims.
Oh, hell no. Imagine cracking that.
And it's easy because it's carbon, it's strong, but we get the same thing.
All right, then, Jordan. Y'all wasn't supposed to know that.
I wasn't recording.
But yeah, the rap get here on Monday.
Hopefully they see some good shit.
Facts, bro. Facts.
Because I know you ready to rap it.
I saw a video where like it was so much smoke and it was going right back into the engine.
I seen that.
Yeah.
I seen
It
that.
looked like it was smoking it. That shit was
You were doing the
crazy.
sand and burn out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That shit was scary.
Appreciate it.
I hope you get some time.
Yeah, that's where I'm going next. That's
Buddy,
exactly where I'm going.
what you planning on rapping? What you trying to have there?
Black on black. Yeah, Matt, we gonna fade back to Matt. So when it's lost black, you fade into Matt black. Black. Y'all wasn't supposed to know that, but if y'all watching, y'all listening, now y'all know.
Saying sneak peek.
Little sneak. Well, you got all kinds of goddamn shit out here. They slow though. Y'all want something fast? Get in with me, and we can build you something. You hear me? But y'all finna goddamn go get this alignment. You will put on.
You got a lot of work.
Yeah. Cause I didn't get an alignment when I put these rims on. These wide body rims, but the alignment is set up for slim body. So what do I tell them? Do I need to tell them to? Cause don't they read something? And
Yeah,
then
they'll be able to tell when they put it on the thing and line it up. They'll be able to tell.
It's money bag, nigga. nigga. Walk down with that PBS, I'm trying to pop a nigga.
Ooh, shit, that's a DDG.
That's a JDJ, baby. Yeah, man. You gotta put these tires on. I don't know if y'all could hear me in the Dodge. So I was saying today I'll be putting the tires on. I'm gonna be getting alignment. Basically getting the cat back how it was before. I still gotta change my oil. Like I haven't changed my oil since before the situation happened. I haven't got alignment yet because I have these wide body rims, and when you get wider rims, you're gonna need an alignment. But I haven't got one yet, so I have to do that for the cat. The hood is coming for the cat. The wrap is coming for the cat. I don't know if y'all heard it, but yes, the wrap does come on Monday. Yeah, that's when we can start wrapping a bit. It's about time for real. Murder cat gonna be murdered again. Stupid. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, like I always be telling y'all. The week's going crazy. It's finally warm outside. The car season is gonna kick off with a banger. You hear me? Oh, the back. Y'all think I should get a bike?
Hell no. I ain't even get it.
Hell no. Y'all take off too quick.
It's fun car.
Yeah, it is definitely fun. They gonna get you in trouble too, just like me. Facts.
Where he going over here?
I added all that and it's on wide body rims. So whatever the spec is for a wide body, put it on. We can do that. I bet. Cause it's gonna be different. Cause it's a wide body. See if you press 20, the charger put like go to Dodge and put, it said 19, put 20 and see if it pop up with the
Why you just don't do 20, 23
charger.
scat?
And then you can put SRT.
I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
That's when it came out with wide body, right?
It's money bag, nigga. Walk down with that PBS, I'm trying to pop a nigga. Nigga broke, but talking about a bag.
He just stole your cat.
So that's gonna be it for the That's gonna be it for the whole channel. Ain't no more YouTube because the cat is gone. But shaking my head. I should have known, bro. I should have known this was gonna happen.
Now we gotta walk home.
I don't know what we gonna do. Do I call the insurance company? Like, what's going on? GA got back, got down. I'm finna put this fan on top of the engine so it can cool down and I'll be able to do the oil change, because right now the engine is too hot. But in the meantime, I'm finna go eat my goddamn Chick-fil-A, because that's what I got. But yeah, I'm finna put the fan right here so it can, like I just said, I'm gonna do the oil change and stuff like that. I might do the differential change just to show y'all how to do it. But yeah, as y'all see, we got them new Larrys on there. And yeah, we finna get it right, you hear me? That's how I do it, goddamn. If y'all wanna know, like, yeah. Give it to me. Psych. Alright, look. So boom. So this bit should be cold by now. Let's see. Yeah, that bit is cold. Yeah, that bit is cold. How much get it back? Alright, damn. The engine does feel kind of like cooled down. So what I'm gonna do is the obvious, like, I'm not gonna really, like, I'm not walking y'all through an oil change. Like, y'all should know you got to jack the car up, take at least the cover pans off. Then once I get to the obvious parts that I can show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. But it's simple, it's easy. Y'all shouldn't need help. It's for real. This y'all. Oh. Now I gotta clean that. That was not supposed to happen. Oh. Dang, that bit took the color of the concrete. I have two sponsors to show y'all. Hold on. So this is, I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm just letting y'all know I will be doing a sponsor video. But this is Plate Guardian. Basically, it guards your plate from people who try to like steal your identity and like act like you and pose as you. You can get this and it's gonna cover your plate like with a push of a button. But only for purposes like that. You know. This is also a dash cam. Sponsored by, I don't know who these people is, but they gonna be in the video. Okay? But yeah, I have to do that. So in the comments, make sure y'all remind me to do this if I do not do it. Cause I do be reading the comments, I be responding and interacting like that. You feel me? But yeah, that was a dash cam, by the way. In case somebody do take your cat, you can turn your dash cam on and see where they at. You hear me? But boom, we're gonna jack the car up, stuff like that. That's gonna be quick. Boom. Take the Apple Watch off, cause that's quick, you know? Oh yeah, if y'all want me to sponsor something, y'all can DM me on Instagram with SrtRiq. Not with SrtRiq, but SrtRiq with 2 Q's. I believe it has 2 Q's, yeah. So if y'all want something sponsored on the video, stuff like that, get at your boy. I doing music videos, anything. You hear me? The Hellcat takes 7 quarts of oil. Really, not all cars, but like all Dodge things. Not all Dodge things. Y'all get the point. Like, if I ever say all Dodge, I'm only talking about what I drive. I'll be in the comment getting on my nerve, bro. Talking about some, he said this, he said that. I'm talking about cars that you see on this channel. But boom, back to the topic. You're gonna get a red jack like Clifford. And then you're gonna go to jacket it up. Oh, this is a filter, by the way. Y'all don't really need to see that, but here we go. Make sure you got your e-brake on and stuff like that. And make sure you covering your mess. So like, if you is doing an oil change, like, it won't spill on the ground. You feel me? And make sure y'all comment down below who y'all think I should collab with. 392 dog talking about she want to collab, but I think she playing, chat. She playing, bro. But that bit probably got rust on. I ain't do this in like 10 months. Man, I only cut like, yeah. Anyways, you see my phone down here? I heard it going on. All right, bet. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. The special guest list is done. Let's see if y'all messing with it. This is the list. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but this is the special guest list. Did right here. Y'all can pause it. Y'all can screenshot it. This is special guest list. If you want to pull up, make sure you buy your tickets. Link is in the bio now. And yeah, it's on the 20th. You want to buy your tickets? You might want to buy it because it will sell out. And once it sell out, guess what? UG can't get in. Boom. All right, so this is the oil pan, right? You're gonna get your tool and you're gonna put it on there like that. Right? I bet. Okay, good. Let that drain. Look how dark this is. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is like black. Like the light don't even go through it. But Murder Cat gonna love this. So this is the oil I got. What you're gonna do once it starts dripping, as y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all don't see the constant stream of oil pouring out. You're gonna wanna add some oil in there so you can kind of like drain all the dirt and stuff, like just wash it out completely. You don't have to do that, I don't think, but that's what I'm gonna do. And if you have a cat, you also gonna have to drain the supercharger cooler oil, which is right here. You're gonna have to take this off to get to it, but yeah, the supercharger shit is right there. Got it. The messiest part, which is the oil filter. I ain't let the car down yet. I walked over there and realized there's a filter sitting right there. So, yeah, that's literally, it's not nothing for real. All you're doing is unscrewing the filter. And putting it on. I'm going to use the remainder of oil I have in these bottles to like, cause you're supposed to pour some in here so it's not starting with a dry filter. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like this. Literally. So you don't start your car with a dry filter. Going back a little bit. I'm about to get my hand dirty. Okay. Now add your oil. But I'm gonna get something like a funnel to pour it in because I ain't got time. I don't have time. Make sure you tighten your things down here. Like the nigga way, I just got this, and that's how I'm gonna pour all 7 quarts of the oil. You hear me? Boom, boom. Imagine like a OW40. How high out there I can go up with a bit? Finna see. Oh. Yeah, what you doing? I didn't think I could do that. Make sure the car is on run, you hear me? And then go to oil. I mean, you gonna go to like the oil life and press hold. Wait, gotta wait till that bit. Go to oil life and hold it. Press OK to hold. Press OK to reset. And then boom. Now you good. What I do is I cycle the key like a few times to get the oil pressure up, so you don't basically start with low oil pressure. Yeah. Video, but like, remember how I was telling y'all like I'm gonna still be doing stuff with the engine. I'm gonna make this like a maintenance video. So I changed the spark plugs already. I did the fuel pump already. I did the fuel pump and the spark plugs back when I was adding the wide body pieces on. I just changed the oil. Now I'm finna change the differential oil, and I'm gonna show y'all how easy that is as well. This is what I have to change it. Well, actually, I don't even have enough to change it. I don't think I have enough to change it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add this. Yeah, I don't have enough to change it. So I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it. Cause I change it a lot anyways. It don't really need to be changed. I changed it like twice since I had this car. So it don't really need to be changed though. So I can start the cat then. You know, I start the car. I start the bit. As y'all see, man, he is at the goddamn barbershop once again. Once again, I'm back with TTT and now we loaded again, something like that. But look, my goddamn grill flew off on the highway yesterday, bro. It's still cool though. We still gonna pop it on light day. But yeah, we was at the barbershop. Goddamn, I might be going to the pit today to figure out like what else all we need to do to have it ready for the 20th. But yeah, right now we at the goddamn barbershop and he finna be like, he ain't ready. Yo, what's going on? Come on, boy. No, I'm still here. But yeah, like I said, we just going to the pit. See what needs to happen. I know they moved a lot of stuff. Like a lot of cars that we was moving last time. That's not in the way. But we're gonna be going down there because I really need to figure out where everybody finna park. Not figure out where everybody finna park, but just come up with a blue pan. Wait, that's what it's called, right? A blue pan? A blueprint. There we go. Come up with a blueprint. No, I look this way. I just never went. I ain't know about. Facts. How long it took to do this?
Well, they played with it yesterday, and I come out here with it with that thing a little bit. They moved some shit around, and I come through and just
Put it all down. They done a lot of shit.
For real.
They done a lot of shit. Yeah, it rained and pushed it to go through. Only thing I've been doing is doing stick.
Oh god, damn! You moved them trees too. I think.
Yeah, it was a big pile of trash right there. All that shit that we can put in there. This right here, we laid shit over there. That go the road right there. That was locked up. That big ass Campbell right there. I told you it looked different once you move. You see all that concrete out there?
Yeah.
Shit look way different when you get to
God,
move
it
shit
look
around.
different for real.
I told you,
Not the same place I was 2 days
I
ago.
just told you, I know what we got down here. It
Yeah.
just looked like a junkyard. You feel me?
Yeah, it definitely.
There's a piece of concrete right there for the basketball court. He just pushed all that shit on top of it. But we gotta scoop all that shit up, get that out of there. All that trash gotta go. Shit, they been out here for the last 2 days. I just came out here today fucking with that damn skid. I moved that big ass pile right there. And they took all them cars at the bottom of the road.
So basically, you would stop. Oh my God. You would stop right here, or
Nah, we're gonna fix the road all the way around. See, we've been fixing the road. It's gonna be a whole circle.
oh,
We fix the whole circle. Every day you come back, this shit here gonna be good. I ain't gotta take that machine to the plant. We fix the whole circle. You see what I'm saying? So you be able to go all the way around. Like we cut that grass behind that truck car right there where that trailer at. I'm gonna move that trailer with that gray car at. All that's gonna be parked. I'm gonna bring that little trailer right up beside the road.
My God.
And then all that shit.
What's
behind-
happening? What's happening with?
what's up? What's up?
Everything
What's on?
behind the trailer on this side is gonna be parked.
Yeah, they definitely room now. For sure, for sure.
Yeah, and them trees, I'm gonna knock all this shit out, bro. The trees and stuff like that.
Chase for YouTube with
What's on?
Yeah, we chase this shit now. That my nephew, yeah, we chasing. I heard him coming out the road. I had to come find him, boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this definitely help you. Sure, for
So we gonna get it right for you for the time.
It's way for the time.
Wait.
For real.
He was
Pit stops and all
like, okay, I'm gonna pull up about 4. He said, damn, this shit look different than pictures.
For real.
I like shit. It don't take, like I kept telling you, it don't take a long time. You know what I'm saying? I'm
So
like,
there was something right here.
Bush.
all this shit right there, all that trash. I moved all that from there to there. Now we go back behind down at the bank. So get me some dirt, put me some fresh dirt on top of the bank.
Real.
All the cars and shit down. That shit, all the cars and motors right there. Shit, whatever they were. 2 hours we did this shit. Yesterday, what about?
Y'all loaded the motor that
How
day
far?
you were here.
Yeah, he was here that day with
Yeah,
the motor.
he was here that
He
day
moved
with
the
the
car
motor.
yesterday, then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was here that day with the motor. That was the motor right there. Yeah, so I'm trying to tell you. We ain't even clean JJ yard for cars in his backyard. His yard in parking too.
The road, it had like a spot. I don't know if you seen it on the video, but yeah, it had like a tow stop in the middle. And then you clear now. That was not like that. All that was like in the middle of the field. Now that's parking. So really, they got parking everywhere around here, but now. All the spots are full. Yeah, all the spots gonna be full for sure. You see how this shit look? You wanna have like cars off to the sides. I'm gonna ask him.
Parking up there, right?
Yeah.
Wait,
there at the
entrance?
top.
It's like, yeah, it's gonna be like the top of. Wait, what do you mean? Like basically where
Like where we
everybody.
just came from. You see that first left when you came in? That first left, that'll be cut down there. So everybody will just be traffic. All traffic's gonna be going this way, yeah. Just in case all parking spots are filled up.
I mean, yeah, regardless if they go this way or they go that way, it's still gonna be a circle. Yeah, it's still gonna be a circle. So I'm just trying to think like.
I want to say like we can have the sliders on this side once all that shit filled over in the front. You know what I'm saying? So
Wait,
it'll
say that
be easy
again?
for them. The sliders can be like right here.
Over here?
Yeah, like all the parking is gonna be filled up here.
When all the parking is? Shit, you think it's gonna be filled up? The sliders?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
But like that would be like a
I was trying to-
backup plan.
I was trying to goddamn have all the not all the sliders, but like I guess because if they was in the field, it would eliminate kind of like a line because they all in the field. Like y'all choose who's gonna go next. But once they get in a line, it's gonna look like a line.
I got the swag, pot of them. Shorty having drip, proud of them. Put it on the jet, out of here. 2024.